Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is April 11th, Sunday. Hope you had a great weekend or having a great weekend depending on where you are in the world. And today is Spotlight Series Day. And in the Spotlight today, we have NanoDimension and Skillz. They don't do the same thing, so why am I featuring them both? You'll find out on the other side. We'll talk a little bit about what do they do, and then we'll look at ARK's position in both of these companies, how they have been building up the position or reducing the shares in it, how the rank trend has been. Have they been ranking upwards in the 272 companies that they own shares of, or has it been going down? So without further ado, let's get started. I'll see you on the other side. Please like and subscribe.
Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be.
Welcome back, guys. So today in Spotlight, the spotlight is on NanoDimension and Skillz. And the reason why I have both of these together is because of this chart. This is market value chart, and see how the lines are converging to same point. The pink one is Skillz and blue one is NanoDimensions. We will talk about all these three charts and their history in a bit, and also look at their ranking of 200 ranking in the 272 companies that ARK is invested in. Whether have they been ranking up or down in this messy chart, which is, I agree, is messy, but look at the magic it does. It shows you how the ranks have been going up or down for any company in the whole portfolio of 272 companies. So now let's quickly start with what do they do, right? NanoDimension is a niche within a niche. It's a 3D printing company, but not just any 3D printing company. It's a 3D printing for consumer electronics, circuit boards or chips, things like memory sticks that you have, that you are used to for transferring data, for transferring files, etc. So they can do quick prototyping in-house, keep the designs confidential. In past or even now, a lot of companies do the design of their circuit board or the chips, and then they have to send it to China and then get back those prototypes, try it out. So not only it is time consuming, not only it takes a lot of money, but also there is a chance that you lose that design gets leaked out. With this, you not only get to save money and time, but also get to keep your design confidential within your premises and in your buildings. And who won't be interested in that? So three advantages right there. Not only you make it cheaper, faster, but also keep it confidential. I'm sure all the defense sector companies would be super interested in this, right? So, and they already have a lot of clients in defense sector. It's just that macro conditions of the market these days, in past 2 months specifically, has been so bad that this NanoDimension stock has taken a big hit because of that. But really bright prospects, really bright future for NanoDimension. This is my opinion for sure. Please do your due diligence before investing. And they recently, the latest news that has come out is that in their leadership, they have hired people from the companies that could be potential candidates for merger and acquisition, and the people who have strong experience in such things, in merger and acquisitions. So future is looking bright for NNDM for sure. It did have a downward movement for past 2 months or so, but I'm sure if you look at long term, it will recover. And also the cash they hold, huge, more than $1 billion in cash they have raised. So it's definitely going to be big. I have a big position in NanoDimension, just want to disclose that, and I'm not selling it before it's $100 at least. So let's see, hopefully that happens soon. So when I hover over it, you'll see that it's present in 3 different ETFs in ARK: Israel, next generation web, and robotics and autonomous. So that's ARK's position. Skillz, so let's go to Skillz a little bit. It's present in next generation web only. Skillz is a gaming platform that can be integrated with any game on iOS and Android both, and then the players from around the world can compete on it, and they can play for real money. And the numbers are huge. They're looking great, and this is past year numbers. Now it must be even better. Sometime in November last year, they had about 30,000 registered developers to develop the games. Then 40 million registered users out of which 2.5 million were active every month, and average user plays for 1 hour at least. So huge numbers, and it's definitely poised to be one of the greatest gaming platform companies, I feel. We'll find out as we go along on this journey. I'm not invested in Skillz, unfortunately. I was not able to get in at the right time, but maybe I'll get in now because the stock price has gone down. I'm waiting for certain things to happen, not related to Skillz or NanoDimensions, but related to my finances and liquidation of my finances. And as that happens, Skillz is one of the company that I'm targeting to start a position in. So yeah, that's Skillz, and it was a SPAC, got merged with FEAC, I think. Yeah, that was the company that merged with Skillz. Now it is Skillz SKLZ is the ticker symbol, and been on my radar for a long time. But we'll see. Let's go over the data that ARK has, how ARK has been trading it. So I have been collecting data since January 27th. But before they are invested in this before that, obviously. NanoDimension sometime last year, they invested in it, and they had been increasing their position ever since. So if I click on NanoDimension, you'll see in December and January both, actually even before that, they had been increasing slowly, buying more and more, buying all the dips as there were direct offerings from the company. Stock price would dip, and then NanoDimension would buy. ARK Invest would buy more and more, and I was kind of doing the same thing as well. But not as much as aggressively as ARK Invest, obviously. And after that, February happened and March happened to the company, and they have reduced the position a little bit, but they are still holding a lot of shares, 13 million shares there. So they are kind of bullish on it. They have full confidence in it, and a stock price has plummeted, unfortunately, right? It's gone up back as well, but then again gone down. But there are some good news coming out. Like I just said, they have new people in the leadership that could make big change. They have a lot of cash, more than 1 billion cash, and I'm not selling until they say it's going 200, guys. For sure, I'm holding this position. So this is one company I'm very bullish on, with my fingers crossed. Hopefully, let's see where it goes to. In terms of market value, which is a function of stock price and share count both, it has been a roller coaster since the time I've been recording it. But if we were to look at this chart of ARK data pre-January and November, and so anything pre-January or whenever they started holding NanoDimension, you'll see a big uptick, like chart going up, 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 and then up till January, and then started going down just a little bit. What I mean to say is, you're looking at currently, because I have data only from January 27, you're looking at probably about just 1/4 of the picture. The chart probably starts somewhere here and goes up quite a bit, a lot up, and then slightly just down. So yeah, just to provide you the complete picture about it. Now let's also see how it has been ranking. So it was ranked 65 since the time I've been recording, but it originally started at the tail end of very towards the tail end of 160 companies at that time there were in ARK Invest, and then started going up, up, up. They started investing more and more and more. So it started at 65 rank. Since the time I've been recording, it's been going down, then went back up a little bit. You see it reached 90s, then went to 70s again, and now again in 94 rank. But I'm pretty sure, very bullish, very confident on this. So let's see, it should go up. Then you have Skillz. Let's take a look at Skillz. So since the time I've been recording, number of shares, look at that. They have been buying more and more. As the stock price is dipping, they are continuing to buy more and more. The stock price at one point was 43. It had reached $43. Now it is 18, which is very, very, very lucrative to jump in again. I'm still waiting for some personal finances to clear up so I can start a position in Skillz. I do have a position in NanoDimension, but not in Skillz. The market value going up, up, up as they continue to buy the dips, and merging with NanoDimension right here. So they are equally bullish on these two. These two are the companies that I would invest in if I had more money. Anyway, so let's click on Skillz and look at the ranking as well. It has gone up from 147 rank on January 27th all the way to rank 91 this week, or Friday at one point. So that's NanoDimension and Skillz for you guys. Please let me know if you want to look at ARK invest position, how it has been rising or dropping for any other company, and I'll be happy to oblige and do a quick video on that. Thank you so much. Hope you like it, and please like and subscribe. It helps me immensely because that's how YouTube algorithms work. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. That was your daily dose. Bye.